Hello, scrapers! Struggling to get the exact business results you need? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use Outscraper exact match features to refine your searches and extract highly targeted leads quickly and efficiently. So let's dive right in. Head over to Outscraper and sign into your account. Navigate to Google Maps Scraper under Services, by brand, Google, and click on Google Maps Scraper. Without exact match feature, Google Maps often includes related but irrelevant business in your results. In this example, this is my task template that I have used to scrape real estate agent without exact match features. As you can see here, I use real estate agent. Then I limit my results to 100. You can see in our result, it gives us service establishment and some commercial agent which is related but irrelevant to our searches. To enable the exact match feature, check on this exact match checkbox. Outscraper automatically adds a filter. Subtypes contain one of your query or your category. This ensures that only businesses precisely matching your category appear in your results. Pro tip: combine exact match with location filter like city, code, or region for more even laser focused data. To add that, you can just add this filter and you can check whichever that you want to filter it in. Get data and let's Outscraper do the heavy lifting. And this is the result when using exact match feature. No more irrelevant businesses. That's how you use Outscraper exact match feature to refine your searches and extract highly targeted leads quickly and efficiently. Try Outscraper today and take your lead generation to the next level. Happy scraping!